Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off screen timeout on your Android phone. So guys, let's get into it. First of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to open the display setting, this one. And after that, you can scroll down your screen until you find the screen timeout setting, this one. And these are the options available on my phone. And actually, to turn off the screen timeout, we have to select the turn off option. But unfortunately, there's no turn off option on my Android phone. I don't know about your phone, it can be available or not. It depends on your version of your Android phone. And I'm gonna go with 30 minutes, which is the longest screen timeout on my phone. So I'm just going to tap on it. And alright guys, that's how basically we can turn off screen timeout on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.